Hello, what's up? Hello Philippines, hello world. Andito na naman po tayo para mag-react at mag-comment dito sa isang video. I don't know kung viral na to kasi kanina lang to. So dito natin mapapatunayan sa video na to yung kasabihang ang isda talaga nahuhuli sa bibig. Hindi yan nahuhuli sa buntot, hindi yan nahuhuli sa part ng body. Kung hindi, sa bibig siya nahuhuli. Ganyan din nangyayari sa tao. Sa sobrang talino natin, yung mga basic traits, mga kaugalian, mga respeto, nawawala na yan eh. Sobrang taas na kasi natin. So, bali yung mga lower parts, mga lower na mga hindi na natin pinapahalagahan kasi nasa taas na tayo ng standard. Pero, lagi nating tatandaan na ang pagpapakumbaba is the best way pa rin. So, dito naman ang layo na no. Sa video na to, mapapatunayan natin yung kasabihang yon at tingnan natin kung talagang na-corner na nga ba itong matalino nyo at magaling na abogado.
I always yield to your legal expertise. However, Attorney Roque, this is one of the occasions when my knowledge in law became gray. So I wish to ask once more for the record. With all due respect, kayo po ba ay abogado ng Lucky South 99?
Hindi po, wala po akong attorney-client relationship sa kahit sino na shareholder.
There, attorney and client relationship. So, makikita natin kung ano talaga ang ibig sabihin ng attorney and client relationship.
Or officer ng Lucky Star.
From that
Lucky South.
answer of Attorney Roque, Mr. Chair, I wish to share to the committee the case of Eusebio Sison versus Attorney Lourdes Dumlao. This is AC number 11959.
See, matalino din itong taon to eh. Hindi ko lang mabasa kung sino siya.
April 28, 2021. If I may quote, a lawyer-client relationship is established when lawyers consistently manifest to a person consulting them that they would provide legal representation or assistance, regardless of the close ties between the parties, or the lack of written contract, or the non-payment of legal fees.
Yan yung sinasabi ni Roque kanina nang tinatanong siya na bakit daw niya kukunin yung mga ganong sitwasyon kung hindi naman daw siya babayaran.
It is very clear, Mr. Chair, that from the definition of a lawyer-client relationship, kahit walang kontrata, kahit walang payment of legal fees, the moment the client starts seeking advice and the lawyer starts giving advice, a client-attorney relationship is created. Can we be enlightened on this?
See? Ayan ang definition. So, makita natin.
Yes, Mr. Chair, from Attorney Roque.
Attorney Roque, you are now recognized.
Mr. Chair, tama po yun. Ang problema, wala pong kahit anong konsulta na nangyari sa paniko at sa kahit kanino.
Yon, nauutal na si Roque. Na-corner na nga ba itong si Roque?
Paniko ng Lucky South. Eh, miski wala pong bayad, wala pong kontrata, wala rin po kaming komunikasyon. Dahil ang komunikasyon ko po, lahat po yan ay kikasiong lamang.
I understand, Mr. Chair, that a statement of Attorney Roque, he was never consulted by Lucky South 99, but he has been repeating a while ago that Cassandra Leong is the representative of Lucky South 99. Is it not?
Yan yung sinasabi ko na ang isda hindi nahuhuli sa buntot kung hindi sa bibig. Sa bibig niya mismo.
Not that the consultations made by Representative Ong with Attorney Roque the consultations as well that was made by Lucky South 99 with Attorney Roque, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, gaya na aking sinabi po kanina, ang aking attorney-client relationship ay kay Cassandra Ong at kay Whirlwind dahil sila po ay umakto bilang ahente ng Lucky South.
That
Yan lang naman ang kinakainis ko. Kasi after this part, bigla na lang naputol yung video. So, ano ba talagang nangyari? Na-corner na nga ba talaga si Roque? So, well, tingnan na lang natin sa balita later. So, yun lang. Adios.